Hello there, how are you? I'm just out of work and I'm underneath the bridge down by the water, and I'm going to film myself riding home, hopefully, see how it goes. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so I've got the camera phone mounted on my bike and I'm about to get going. Alright, wish me luck. Okay, well, I guess I may as well do some stops along the way. Yeah, this is the first stop. It's the bridge. It's getting a little hard to find places to stop because everyone's walking home from work. I'm just down near Rowan and Cass's place, and yeah, I'm gonna continue. Okay, well, I'm going to stop there because if I ride all the way home, there'll be a lot of footage that I'll have to edit, and I think you get the idea. So, see you later. And yes, this is about the halfway point, I guess, down near Ashgrove, near the Aldi down there, and yeah, it was a pretty good ride. I'm not sure how the footage is going to turn out, but we will see, I guess. So that was a nice experiment, and I'll see you next time.